Welcome to PlayOwnAI. We'll build ATS CV that boost AI readability. Build your own resume or CV for AI and humans readability. Achieve approximately 90 plus ATS score step by step. It's simple, smart and real-time. Just start by dropping your resume, PDF or docx into the scoring online website. Within seconds, the AI delivers your boost score. Resume analysis results. Summary. Contact information score 10 out of 10. Work experience 30/30ths. Education 2020. Skills 2020. Format and readability 15/20ths. Detailed analysis. Contact information. Email address. Email address found. Phone number. Phone number found. More many others. Improvements. High priority improvements. No critical issues found. Your resume is well structured for ATS. Don't worry. It's free and everything you can manage. No extra cost to build. Just play with your resume score your own way. Just text. .txt. Editor like Notepad++. Text editor. Here I just use Atom to edit text editor. Create new file, enter the file name as you like. X here used applicant.txt. Just open your old CV, Ctrl+A or select all content to copy your old CV content here. No matter what format it's. We just need text content to generate new CV. Here is text file. In our test file can't add font style like bold, italic, underline, etc. Also can't add font size, color, etc. Open our text file applicant.trackingSystem, text our any Word or doc write or editor file and make professional summary bold or color, change it and then save it as applicant.trackingSystem2.txt. Now open the applicant.trackingSystem2.txt file in any text editor. There is no font style, size, color, etc. Also close our document Word or doc write editor file. Open again applicant.trackingSystem2, text on Word or doc write editor file. There is no font style, size, color, etc. For this reason we are using .rtf file to add font style, size, color, etc. So open the applicant.trackingSystem text and save it as applicant.trackingSystem.rtf or simply create a new .rtf file and write the text in it. Let's start with set font style, size, color, etc. Like this. RTF1, ANSI, def0, font TBL, F0 Verdana. Closing curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Make new line like this. Par. Make bold text like this. B bold text. Make italic text like this. I italic text, etc. After writing the text in the .rtf file, save and close it. Now open with doc or Word file editor. Boom. Font name and bold. New line. Italic. Etc. Or applied. Let's again go to test file, select first section of text. Like LLM and AI application engineer. Passed on the applicant.trackingSystem.rtf file. Now open the applicant.trackingSystem.rtf file with doc or Word file editor. Newly added text will be same line after the last line. That look good for human reader or R. Let's make reading good for human reader or R. At the beginning of the text, just add new line like this. Par. Open the applicant.trackingSystem.rtf file with doc or Word file editor. You will see the text is in new line. Also looking good for human reader or R. Let's test PDF export. Export the file as .pdf file. And save the file as applicant.pdf or any other format you like. Docs, .txt, .ot, etc. Now open the applicant.pdf file with PDF Reader. If everything is okay, then you will see the text is in new line and looking good for human reader or R. Now let's add some more text to the applicant.rtf file. Like professional summary. Copy the text from the applicant.rtf text file and paste it on the applicant.rtf file. Make sure to add new line at the beginning of the text like this. B professional summary and save the file.rtf file. Now add the following sections to the applicant.rtf file. Let's add the following sections to the applicant.rtf file. And add same pattern like this. B technical skills B soft skills B experience B projects and works B education and certifications B achievements and awards B languages B interests and hobbies B references B additional information and save the file.rtf file. It's very important. Don't forget to save the file as .rtf file. Finally, open the applicant.rtf file with doc or Word file editor. If everything is okay, then you will see the text is in new line. Then export the file as .pdf file. And save the file as applicant.pdf or any other format you like. Docs, .txt, .ot, etc. Now you can use the applicant.pdf file for your job application or any other purpose you like. Finally, close doc or Word file editor without saving the file. If you save your file from doc or Word file editor, then you will lose the font style, size, color, etc. So be careful about this. Otherwise, you need to start from scratch. After 2 new line, our CV become 3 page. It's better to keep it 2 page or 1 page. So we can remove some text from the CV. For example, we can remove the new line in the bold text. Hope it will help you to create a better CV. Now we are going to test our CV ATS score. Open browser and search for ATS score checker. Just click on the visit link, freezeums.com/check-resume. Open it on new tab. Then upload your CV file. And click on the check button. This will give you the ATS score of your CV. You can also check the score of your resume and cover letter. You can also do analysis results PDF 95 Great. ATS score. There are 3 parameters section we are going to check. 1. Summary. 2. Detailed analysis. 3. Improvements. 1. Summary. Contact information. 10 out of 10, it's 100% complete. Work experience. 30/30ths, it's 100% complete. Education. 2020, it's 100% complete. Skills. 2020, it's 100% complete. Format and readability. 15/20ths, it's 75% complete. ATS score. 95/100ths, it's 95% complete. Don't be afraid of the format and readability score. It is not that important. It is just a warning that your CV is not ATS friendly. You can ignore it if you want, but it is recommended to fix it. 2. Detailed analysis. Contact information. Email address. Email address found. Phone number. Phone number found. LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn profile found. Location information. Location information found. Full name. Name identified at the top of resume. Work experience. Experience section. Work experience. Section found. Job titles. Job titles identified. Company names. Company names identified. Employment dates. Employment dates found in expected format. Accomplishments. Accomplishment statements found. Quantifiable metrics. Quantifiable metrics found. Education. Education section. Education section found. Degree information. Degree information found. Field of study. Field of study found. Graduation year. Graduation year found. Institution name. Institution name found. Skills. Skills section. Skills section found. Technical skills. Technical skills found. Programming. Software. Java. Soft skills. Soft skills found. Communication. Leadership. Problem solving. Languages. Languages found. English. Certifications. Certifications found. Certified. Certification. Format and readability. Resume length. Resume length appears appropriate. Bullet points. Bullet points found for easy readability. Clear sections. 6 distinct sections identified. Consistent formatting. Date formats may be inconsistent. Use the same date format throughout. Spacing and layout. Potential dense text blocks detected. Use spacing to separate information. 3. Improvements. High priority improvements. No critical issues found. Your resume is well structured for ATS. Medium priority improvements. Format and readability. Consistent formatting. Date formats may be inconsistent. Use the same date format throughout. Additional suggestions. Format and readability. Spacing and layout. Potential dense text blocks detected. Use spacing to separate information. Again, we are going to test our CV ATS score. We will check the score of our CV another site. Open browser and search for Resume Checker. Just click on the visit link. resume.ai/ats-resume-checker-scorer. 90%. ATS compatibility score. Your resume performance. Excellent. Your resume has strong ATS compatibility and should perform well with most applicant tracking systems. Sections detected. 1. ATS score. 2. Contact info. 3. Experience. 4. Education. 5. Skills. 1. ATS score. Profile. Experience. Education. Skills. Other its red marks, don't worry about it, don't need to believe system 100% or SISM sometimes give wrong result. You can use this as a guide to improve your resume, but it is not a guarantee of success in the job application process. Again, we are going to test our CV ATS score on several sites. Open browser and search for Resume Checker. Just click on the visit link. app.jobscan.co. Match rate. 100%. Searchability. An ATS, Applicant Tracking System, is a software used by 90% of companies and recruiters to search for resumes and manage the hiring process. Below is how well your resume appears in an ATS and a recruiter search. Fix the red X to ensure your resume is easily searchable by recruiters and parsed correctly by the ATS. Don't be too excited about the green check marks, as they are not the most important part of your resume. The ATS score is a measure of how well your resume is optimized for applicant tracking systems. ATS. An ATS.com/I-analysis. AI resume analysis. Your resume has been analyzed by AI. Here are the results. 85%. Job category: LLM application engineer. Resume score: 85. Resume length: ATS length good, approximately 800 words. ATS and SEO optimization: yes. The resume is ATS friendly with relevant keywords and structured sections. Click on the visit link. resume.com/resume-ats-checker. Results score: 85%. Here identify the issues that are preventing your resume from passing ATS checks. Grammatical errors, professional tone, unnecessary information, experience relevance, skills relevance. If you want to improve your resume by fixing mentioned issues, quick resume checker on the visit link. quickresumechecker.com. Match score: 92%. Here also identify the issues that are preventing your resume from passing ATS checks. Suggestions for improvement: missing qualifications, specific certification in AI, ML, experience with specific tools mentioned in the job description, keywords to add, generative AI, natural language processing, machine learning operations, model deployment, data engineering. Resume improvements: reorganize the experience section to prioritize LLM-related roles. Highlight leadership roles or initiatives more prominently. Recommendations: clarify project descriptions to highlight specific achievements and outcomes. Use more action-oriented language to emphasize contributions. Consider adding metrics to quantify the impact of your work. Support line: get assist. Stuck anywhere, or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. You can download the full workflow directly from my GitHub. GitHub, Matinict, @CV. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel, @PlayOwnAI. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with PlayOwnAI Playground.